Every morning is a new beginning. Let's practice English and build better habits together. I hear my alarm. I hear my alarm. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I don't hit snooze. I don't hit snooze. I sit up in bed. I sit up in bed. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I say, today is a good day. I say, today is a good day. I push myself out of bed. I push myself out of bed. I stand up straight. I stand up straight. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I stretch my back. I stretch my back. I roll my shoulders. I roll my shoulders. I look out the window. I look out the window. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. I take my phone. I take my phone. I don't open social media. I don't open social media. I put my phone face down. I put my phone face down. I make my bed. I make my bed. I do this every single morning. Small habits make a big life.